Hi lovely friends and welcome to another video. My name is Alex and this channel is called Alex's Art Corner. This is where I share my art and my art process in the hope that we can all inspire each other to be a little bit more creative and be more in tune with our creativity on a daily basis. In this video, I am going to take you out and about in London, and this is because, as you might remember from a previous video, this week I went back to teaching face-to-face. I teach English as a second language and most of my job was online in the last year and a half. I am back to a real classroom for only 2 weeks, and even though I know I'm going to be teaching online again, I felt really strange to have to be in a real classroom after so long. Change is often hard on us and we might not be fully equipped to welcome it every single time. The initial shock didn't last long. I soon started to enjoy the bus rides, the walks and the messages I would encounter along the way. I didn't really like the fact that we all had to wear masks, but again, there aren't many things that we can do about that. City life felt really busy and noisy. I often felt small among the glass-covered skyscrapers, and I found myself longing for the quiet of my art space. I have to admit it was really nice to see students face-to-face and to have real conversations with fellow teachers. I hope you enjoy watching London through my eyes in this video. Thank you for being here. It means so much to me.
Take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see